Do you want to learn how to market your online business without spending a dime? I'm about to show you 5 powerful strategies that cost $0 but can still bring traffic, leads, and sales. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Donna Gilbert. I'm semi-retired, a nomad, and I live in a converted 7x14 foot cargo trailer. And I do online marketing. If you're just starting out and you simply don't have a budget for paid ads, no worries. In this video, I'm going to share 5 proven strategies to grow your business online without spending a penny. The first strategy is to leverage social media. You know, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all of these platforms, and the new ones that sprout up every day and the lesser known ones. If that's where your audience hangs out, use them. The second strategy is your content creation strategy. How you're going to deliver your content to your audience. This could be a blog, it could be a YouTube channel, or it could be a podcast. Now, with a podcast, there may be fees involved with hosting your podcast. So that's something to be aware of if that's the platform you want to use. The third strategy is email marketing. There are several free options out there to start your email list. MailChimp, MailerLite, and there are others. Typically, the features are lower for the free programs. So typically, you'll want to spend a little bit of time researching to figure out which service will best suit your needs. A couple of things to be mindful of. Most of them also will allow you to create a capture page where you direct people from your social media platforms, from your blog or your podcast, so that you can capture their email addresses. This is going to be a key thing you want to develop. My preference for an email service provider is MailerLite. The thing I love about their free version is that you can have email automations, sequences. And if you're not sure what that is, let me know in the comments and I'll explain that in another video. But you do want to have an email service provider so that you can communicate on a regular basis with the people that you've attracted in your audience. The fourth strategy is SEO for organic traffic. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. This is how people will find you. So they're going to type in their question, their concern, their problem into a search engine, whether it's YouTube or Google, Bing, or any of the other ones, to find their answers. You'll have to find the specific keywords that people are searching for so that they can put in those keywords, receive an answer back that says, go here, and then they can click on that link and reach your content. Again, whether it's a blog, whether it's a YouTube channel, or whether it's your podcast. And then the fifth strategy are collaborations and networking. You can collaborate with other creators, people who are complementary to the products and services that you're offering. Because you don't want to build a competition here, but if you have something and someone has something that makes a good match, why not work together? And then networking is the standard meet and greet, whether it's online or in real life, where you're going and you're meeting people and you're talking about your products and your services. So those are 5 strategies you can use to build your online marketing business without an investment, without a financial investment. I can definitely appreciate the desire to keep expenses low, especially if you're just starting out. It's so easy to fall into the trap of paying for this, paying for this, paying for this, paying for this, paying for this. And then suddenly you're spending hundreds of dollars a month and you're not generating any income yet. So I get it. Now I'd like to invite you to shift your mindset around financial investment in your online marketing endeavors, whether it's to promote your own services or whether you want to find and promote and resell other people's services. There is always an investment. And if you're focusing only on the dollar amounts, you're limiting yourself. Because to make those 5 strategies work that I shared with you, the leveraging the social media platforms, the content creation strategies of whether a blog or a YouTube channel or a podcast, email marketing, doing the search engine optimization, and then collaborating or networking, those are very time intensive. So if you don't want to spend a lot of time, one way to lessen that investment is to invest in a course or a program that's going to give you the guidance that you need to really hit the ground running. 2 months ago, I discovered a program that does exactly that. Over the past 7 years, I have spent about $25,000, more than that, on courses alone. And then some of these courses, they just promoted doing paid ads, and I did that. And I've probably spent $5,000 or $6,000 on paid ads and have gotten nothing in return financially. I have gained a lot of knowledge. I have gained a lot of insight. I've made some lifelong friends from those programs. But 2 months ago, I found a program that has really transformed my approach. It's both a course and a community where I'm learning how to do things in the course. This is kind of like a plug-and-play online marketing business. They provided the website. They provide the email sequences. They provide the landing page, and all of this is proven. Thousands of people have gone through this program and are making tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. The founder of the program, she earned over $1 million in 17 months. That's phenomenal. And that is the power of online marketing. And so I totally understand why you're interested in it. However, doing it without making any financial investment is a little short-sighted in my opinion, because it will be so time intensive to keep yourself motivated, energized, moving forward day to day, creating content without having any feedback on whether it's good content in the sense of attracting leads. Because with social media, we think that those vanity numbers of how many followers, how many likes, of going viral matter. But they really don't. If you have a video post that has 200 views, but it has 10 engaged people looking for more information, that's a phenomenal video. Another video that has 1.5 million views and garners nothing. Which is the better video for you? Which one is going to pay your bills? The video that brings in the leads, right? There will always be an investment in any new endeavor. Online marketing is no different. You just get to choose whether you're going to invest your time, your money, or other resources. When I discovered this proven system that has an engaged community of over 35,000 members, if you're interested in online marketing, I invite, I encourage, and I challenge you to look at this online program that I discovered. It is a plug-and-play business. It comes with the website is created, the sales page, the capture page for those email addresses. Everything is there. All we need to do is connect our own domain to it. Once we get it set up, we can pretty much forget it. So while I'm out here in the woods making this video, my system is still working for me. People are watching videos that I created yesterday and 2 weeks ago and 2 months ago, and they can still find their way to me. I can live my life and only focus 2 hours a day on this business. And that is a dream come true. I don't have to set my alarm clock in the morning. I wake up whenever I want to wake up, and typically my husband likes to sleep in. He's a slow starter. He has to have a cup of coffee or two. I'm one of those weird people that just springs out of bed. So I leave our 7 by 14 foot cargo trailer and I go outside and I create a video or two. Just short videos, 3 pieces of content a day. When you first join this program, the emphasis is on mastering that 2-hour workday. This is the stuff that many of us, we put off because it's uncomfortable. It puts us out of our comfort zone, and we do busy work instead. With this program, you ditch the busy work. It's not like your 9-to-5 job, your 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. job, where you have to show up and time is money. This is, we get the work done and then we have the day to ourselves. We can enjoy our family, we can travel, we can do whatever we want because our business is working for us while we're playing. Within our community, it's quite phenomenal. It's the thing that surprised me most that I am so fully engaged in. Every week we have at least 2 or 3 different trainings to keep us learning, to keep us engaged, to keep us inspired and motivated. Our mentors, people within this program who have earned 6 figures and more, they come back and they are telling the rest of us how they got where they are. They're sharing their stories, what worked for them, because everyone is different and one person's strategies, their method is not going to resonate to align with who you are. And so everyone tells things a little bit differently, and that one little tweak might be the difference between getting no sales and getting a lot of sales. Within this program, there are 4 different entry levels. So if you don't want to invest a lot of money, you can start out spending just $100 plus a $29 website fee. And you get that community connection along with that. As you progress, as you grow, as you get more excited, you'll choose to ramp up to the $300, the $600, or the $900 level. And each of these levels allows us to resell that product level and lower. Because with this plug-and-play business, we have master resale rights to these programs. So we start our online business with up to 4 ready-made products, and they're proven, and people are thrilled with them. Within our community, every day, I would say every hour, people are sharing their wins, the sales that they've made, the lives that they've transformed, their own and other people's. Because we have non-monetary wins in there as well. Someone, just the other day I went in and I just did this for the first time, and it's exciting. So yes, you can start your online business without any financial investment. But is that the best use of your time? Or you could spend $100, $300, $600, or $900 in a proven course that's going to have your business up and running and fully automated within a matter of hours or days, and then you can start creating the content with some guidance, with feedback, with support to really start your business so you can change your life and the lives of people around you. If this sounds appealing to you, even just piques your curiosity just a little bit, there's no risk in learning more. The link is in the description, and feel free to ask any questions you want in the comments.